In this video, you'll learn how to check if someone has booked a meeting on Calendly. This process will guide you through navigating the interface to find your scheduled meetings and view their details. Start by locating the left sidebar on your Calendly homepage. Here, you will find several options related to your scheduling activities. Click on the option labeled Meetings. Ensure that you do not select scheduling, as this is not the appropriate section for viewing booked appointments. Once you click Meetings, the interface will refresh to display a list of your meeting options. Look for the section at the top of this page labeled Scheduled. Selecting this option will direct you to a view that shows all meetings that have been booked. After selecting Scheduled, you will see various details displayed for each meeting. This includes the invitee's name, the type of meeting, the date and time of the appointment, and the location where it will take place. This information confirms that the meeting has been successfully booked. Next, to view more detailed information about a specific meeting, click on any meeting listed in your scheduled meetings. This action will open a new window containing additional details. Here you can find a guest's email address, their responses to any pre-meeting questions you may have set up, and options to reschedule or cancel the meeting if necessary. If a meeting appears under the Meetings section and is categorized as scheduled, it indicates that the appointment has been successfully booked. This confirmation allows you to manage your calendar effectively and ensures you are prepared for upcoming meetings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.